Hi friends, welcome to another awesome video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Opera Mini onto your PC. First, open the Microsoft Edge which comes by default onto your PC. Now type Opera and hit enter. Now open this site. Link is in the description. Now click on this download button. Now this pop-up will open up and click on this run button. These are the advantages of the Opera. There is a built-in adblocker, free VPN, easy and customizable extensions, and built-in messengers like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Now click on this install button. The installation of the Opera begins. The installation of Opera is completed and it is opening the settings and changing the default app from Microsoft Edge to Opera. And also Opera has pinned itself to the taskbar, so you don't have to do this stuff manually. Now I am closing the settings. See, Opera is successfully installed on your PC. Now I am going to show you how to turn on the built-in VPN on this Opera. Now go to the settings. Scroll down. Go to the advanced. Now turn on this button to activate the built-in VPN. See here, VPN is activated on the Opera. In the privacy protection section, you can also turn on the built-in ad blocker. And you can also turn on the block tracker. This blocks the tracking from the website while you are browsing. Here you can also change the wallpapers. You can choose your favorite one from here, or you can browse from your storage. Here are the built-in social media messaging apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. You can log in from here and chat whenever you need in the browser itself. That's it friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is True Knowledge with me, and I will catch you in the next one.